Hi everyone, this is Sam.
And this is Fitz.
And this is the fourth in the series of vlogs on setting up a company in Ghana.
And today we'll be taking you through registering with the Ghana Revenue Authority.
Excellent. So this is at the stage where you've registered your company with the Registrars General. You've obtained your certificate of incorporation, certificate to commence business, and it's now time to register with the statutory bodies.
That's correct. And at Servled, we are very passionate about helping small and medium enterprises, develop the right legal and management structure that make them grow sustainably.
Excellent. And this is one of the many channels that we use to educate the public on doing business the right way in Ghana.
As well, you can reach us, on all the social media platforms, and our handle is Servled.
Excellent. Now, one thing that we should remind folks of is our Servled Friday, where we bring industry experts, business leaders, as well as subject matter experts to talk to our entrepreneurs about relevant business experience and skills.
And many of you have asked, if you could bring your friends over and all that. And if any of them are interested, let them send us an email at info@servled.com.
Excellent. Excellent. Today we have a special guest. His name is Johnson, and he heads people and culture here at Servled. And he'll be talking to Nana about registering with the Ghana Revenue Authority. Excellent. Welcome, Johnson.
Hey, thanks a lot, Sam. Hello, Fitz.
Hi, Johnson.
Yeah, how you doing? I have a few questions for you today.
Please shoot.
Okay. Now, what are the requirements for registering with GRA?
So basically, you have all your documents from the RGD. You make photocopies of these documents, and then at the RGD, the GRA, you have two types of registration. We have what we call the direct tax and then the indirect tax.
Now, could you explain a little bit more about the direct tax?
So again, we are focusing on limited liability companies.
That's right.
For the direct tax, that's your corporate tax as well as your pay as you earn. That's the taxes that are deducted, and paid on behalf of your staff.
Okay. So what are the indirect tax?
The indirect tax will focus on the value-added tax with the VAT, and again with the VAT, I'm sure you know there is a 15% and then the 3%. And then we also have other taxes like the withholding tax. Those take care of the indirect taxes.
Now, you've just talked about the 3% and the 15%. How do you differentiate on which side you're on?
Great question. This is a question that we have people ask a lot. This all depends on the threshold of your business. So if your business is making up to 90,000 Ghana cedis annually, then you fall under the Small Taxpayers Office, which is called the SMO. If your business has revenues between 90,000 and 5 million Ghana cedis, then you fall under the Medium Taxpayers Office. Anything above 5 million falls under the Very Large Taxpayers Office.
Okay. Could you please talk a little bit more about the indirect tax now?
So with the indirect tax, aside of filling out the Form 22A for the direct tax, with the indirect tax, the registrar would like to know your principal place of office. So they would like to come check out or you give them directions to where your office is. And then once the form is filled, they know what your threshold is. Then they tell you the tax office that you fall under. And then within 3 days, they should be able to register you for the indirect tax.
Are you saying that if everything is okay, within 3 days, you should be ready?
And I must also add that with the direct tax, it's just a couple of hours, you should be able to get your tax identification, your tax registration number.
All right. I would say thank you very much, Fitz, for making it easy.
Thank you so much, too.
Excellent. And as always, if you have any questions about anything that we discussed here, send us an email at info@servled.com. And also, feel free also to touch base with any professional in the tax space industry that can help you in filling these forms out.
An accountant, an auditor, all of these people will be able to help you.
Excellent. As always, should you be interested in attending Servled Friday, please send us an email at info@servled.com. We hope you found this helpful.
Thank you so much, and God bless.
God bless. Bye.